ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಓಡಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮೈಕ್. Insane, bro. Guys, this is insane, guys. So what we are trying to do now is we are going to put 10 rupees petrol on a Z800. Let's see what will be the reactions of the people.
A few inches later.
Power normal ah?
Power.
Guru, 10 rupees ah? 10 rupees petrol ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ಮು? ಹಾಂ, 15 rupees-ಆ? 50 rupees ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. कॉमेडी नहीं, सीरियसली भाई. डाल रहे हो क्या? सीरियसली? ओके, एक मिनट रुको, बस 10 रुपीज़ के लिए. हो गया, अभी फुल टैंक डालो.
फुल टैंक डालो.
पावर चाहिए, ये लो 10 रुपीज़. 0.11. ओके गाइस, they put 10 rupees petrol.
Full tank डालो. Full tank डालो. Full tank? Yeah.
Now this is funny, you know. Shreyas, you're insane, dude.
Full tank? Power.
Full tank. Power. Bro, what's your Instagram?
Oh, Shreyas Prakash. That's it.
Huh?
Shreyas Prakash.
Shreyas Prakash, guys. I'll leave a link in the description. Go follow this amazing guy. He put for 10 rupees. You were late. We wanted to do a video on the DSLR.
Better be the one to be the bully. I'm a ruiner, but I better kind of better man. They wanna resent and they don't really wanna let us in a competition, so I gotta kill him with the pen. And I don't think you mother